one of the biggest biodiversities in the world. A region with great growth potential. An area to be responsibly explored. In the north of Brazil is where Ipa Wood Flooring is established, one of the most promising hardwood floor companies in the country. A totally vertical project with great growth potential. Ipa occupies an area of more than 8.5 million square foot and is established in the city of Iranduba, 30 kilometers away from Manaus, the capital of state of Amazonas. The location on the banks of the Solimões River means competitive advantage, the vicinity between plant and raw material, and the speed in the product's flow. More than 150,000 square foot of built-up area and high productive capacity. Its own port in the plant area also facilitates the arrival of wood. One of the main advantages of Ipa is having its own sawmill, which allows therefore to control the quality of the product since the first process and also to make the most use of raw materials. The waste generated during the productive process is reused for the generation of steam that supplies part of the plant. The company also has an area intended for the manufacturing of decking and input for the factory. In the kiln, each species is dried according to its specific physical and mechanical features. After drying, wood is stabilized in an environment with controlled humidity. The developed layout and the appropriate machinery for the wood species in the region allow high productive capacity with exceptional quality. Another great advantage of the company is the flexibility in production, mainly given by the finish line, because it allows the industry to fit according to the needs of the market and the clients. The quality control is carried out throughout the plant's processes with personnel hired in each productive step. As the container stowage is made within the company, it is also possible to control the quality and the agility in which the cargo is shipped. The equipment used in production has state-of-the-art technology, which means high productivity, production flexibility, and maximum use of raw material. The local manpower qualification allows the company to operate with a lean structure and a low waste rate. Ipa has the objective of providing a quality, competitive, and ecologically responsible product. The company has a policy of sustainable use of the forest and uses species still unknown in the market. Therefore, it gives a destination not only to traditional woods, but also to others offered by the forest. Ipa supports and participates in the Zona Franca Verde, a government program that aims to encourage the ecologically appropriate, socially fair, and economically feasible production. Every wood that is processed and transformed in Iranduba comes from sustainable management programs. The company has also created an internal forest department with professionals specialized in the area. Today, Ipa has three kinds of raw material supply. Raw materials with FSC certification, the most well-known environmental certification. It comprises not only ecological issues, but also social issues. Raw materials with VLO verification, verification of legal origin. This is a verification of the legality of the wood's origin that observes all legal issues related to the forest works. It is also licensed by Rainforest Alliance and is accredited organization in Brazil, which is Imaflora. Raw material originating from sustainable forest management programs. This kind of raw material also comes from sustainable forest management programs and goes through all of the custody chain control. Ipa strictly follows all of the standards and rules established by the environmental agencies, such as the low level of noise in the production line, the maintenance of air quality, the waste treatment, and the reutilization of waste. From Brazil to the world, Ipa Wood Flooring, development and preservation are the roots of our company.